I accidentally figured out what the problem is with the Ender 3 S1 Plus.
So I think I might have figured out some of my problems here. There is a break in this cable here. And if I lift, I can hear the fan going 100%. If I lift it up, it stops blowing. The fan stops completely. If I drop it, then that fan starts. This fan right there. So I must have a short in that cable.
In the old interweb, I found a cable kit. One website says it's for the S1, the S1 Pro, and the S1 Plus. Another website doesn't. So we're going to get it from Amazon and see which one I get.